So this activity actually is all about bringing mindfulness and self-awareness really to your own life. So we're using the energy and emotions model. We're identifying times when we might have experienced burnout or survival zone and small steps that we can really take to get to this recovery zone in that corner as well. Because often, when we're very productive people, it can be quite easy to prioritize our to-do tasks rather than actually rest, which doesn't really help when it comes to burnout prevention, but also, getting to those optimal peak performance zones. We're also going to be using this card, Mindfully Taking Care of Me. So different ways that we can really rest and recover, nourish ourselves, what that might look like. So this literally kind of takes us through different ideas, and as well as this card, Fill Your Cup. So yeah, I'm really excited to kind of bring this to this mindfulness workshop and use, of course, the Navigating A Squiggly Life toolkit in a more kind of practical sense.